The dollar-yen on the verge of a major breakout, or is it heading straight for a wall of resistance? The market is buzzing, and today we're breaking down what you need to know about USDJPY. Let's dive right into the action. The overall feeling in the market is cautiously optimistic. We've seen a powerful bullish surge, with the dollar gaining significant ground against the yen. Charts show a clear uptrend, with the price making higher highs and higher lows, suggesting strong buying momentum is currently in control. However, this rally is now approaching a critical test. The primary focus for traders is the formidable resistance zone between 148.00 and 148.60. This isn't just a random number. It represents previous market highs where sellers have stepped in forcefully. The big question is whether the bulls have enough power to break through this time. So let's talk about the key levels to watch. For those looking for selling opportunities, the area around 148.00 up to 148.30 is the key battleground. If the price stalls or shows signs of reversal here, it could signal that the upward momentum is exhausted. A rejection from this zone could present a selling point, with sellers potentially targeting a move back down towards recent support. On the flip side, if you're bullish, you're watching for a decisive breakout. A strong, confident close above the 148.30 level could be a significant buying signal. This would invalidate the resistance and could open the door for a push towards the next major psychological level. A potential area to watch for support on any minor pullbacks is around the 147.00 mark, which acted as a consolidation zone before this latest push higher. Adding to the tension, we have a packed week of major U.S. economic data, including crucial inflation reports like CPI and PPI. These releases are known to inject high volatility into the markets and could be the catalyst that either fuels a breakout or triggers a sharp reversal. To summarize, the key takeaway is this: USDJPY is in a clear uptrend, but it's running straight into a major historical resistance zone around 148.00. The market's direction will likely be decided by the battle between the current bullish momentum and the strength of this selling wall. Keep a close eye on those levels. The upcoming economic news will be critical. The market has presented a clear line in the sand. Now we watch to see if it holds or breaks.